Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello YouTube, it's me LaShawn and welcome back to my channel. It's 86 degrees in Jacksonville, Florida and it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so today we're going to do an apartment tour. Yeah, I said that. Apartment tour. My apartment, my little apartment, my small apartment, my project apartment, my low income apartment. Call it whatever you want to. But today we're going to do a tour of my apartment. So we're going to look at all 630 square feet of my place. That's right. I live in 630 square feet. Now let me get serious. I live in low income because I live on a fixed income. So when I get that money, that's all I get. So I have to budget that money. Now, before I moved into low income, I was struggling repeatedly. I could pay the rent and electric, but after that, I was tapped out. I was barely eating. And so I did what I had to do. If your place is safe, it's a blessing, okay? If your place meets your needs, then it's a blessing, okay? So it doesn't matter where you live, have pride wherever you are, okay? So, again, I live in Jacksonville, Florida, and I am over 50, and that's all you need to know. Okay, so let's get started with this tour. Start the tour with the back door. This is the back door to the apartment. This is the back door. And if I swing this all the way around, that is the front door. So as you can see, that's it. That's it. That's my whole apartment. Back door. Excuse me, that's the front door. And this is the back door. So we're going to start here at the back door. This is my kitchen. And this is my pantry. It's a very small pantry. Oh, I'm scared to look in there. That's my pantry. That is my pantry. And then over here on the right, these are my cabinets. I've got upper cabinets and I have lower cabinets. It's very small, but it's enough space. These are my counters. And as you can see, the apartment is clean. I have no roaches, none whatsoever. I have no bugs or anything. Every now and then, you'll get a spider that'll try to slide in. And I tell him he can't live here. This is the sink. As you can see, it's nice and clean. I have a place to do my dishes. And then over there is my microwave. And this is my stove. And as you can see, it's a compact stove. It's very small. The only downside is I tried to make a turkey in there. I took the top rack out and the turkey still couldn't fit in there when I tried to cook for Thanksgiving for my kids. So that's the hood. It's got a little hood over there. And this is the kitchen. And then you turn to the left, and over here is the Keurig coffee station. And that is where I keep the Keurig. Now this is the refrigerator, and I'm gonna step back so you can see the size of it. It looks regular, it's not deep, the freezer is not deep, but it serves its purpose. So this is my kitchen. That is it. That's the kitchen area. Next, I just made a 360-degree turn from the kitchen, and this is my dining room area. This is my water station. I grab water as I head out the back door. This is my closet, which I'm not going to show you. It's got all my stuff in there for private stuff. Anyway, over here is my table. And this is where I eat my meals at, right here. This is my dining area right here. Let me step back so you can see. This is the dining area. Okay, and as we walk this way, you can see it's very small. So I have to put my scooter here so that it won't get damaged or stolen. This is my mobility scooter. I use it every single day. And I park it right here. And then right here is where I sit and read my Bible. And sometimes I sit at the table, but most of the time I sit right here. This is my favorite chair. It's my only chair. And I sit right here. So that's it. That's the sitting area right there. And now we'll turn to the right and we'll go to the living room area. And this is my cane. And right here is a coat closet right here. And I have barrels in there. And let me see, this is the living area, the living room. And if I put the camera up like this, you'll see that there's no light on the ceiling. So I have 2 lamps in here. I have one on right here. So that's why it's not really lit up here. It's not a lot of light in this area. I could take the lamp hood off and then it'll be more light in here so you can see. This is the living room area. And right here is the front door. And as you can see by the door, I have my walker and my purse. And that's the front door right there. And those are my masks. In case I need one on the way out, I keep one in my purse, in my bag. And then over here is where I sit and lay when I'm watching movies, right here. And then I turn and you can see that this is the couch area right here. This is the area where I sit and relax. And again, I got that light on over there, so it'll be bright enough for you to see, because there's no light in here. And I'm not sure why, but they don't have any lights in here. So that's it. That's my living room. And if I turn this way, I'll show you where the TV is. And that is the TV area right there. And up here, I have a picture of my 3 kids in my backyard when I had a house. Those are my 3 kids. That's Patrick on the right, Elijah in the middle, and Lyric on the left. And then we go this way on this wall. And up here is my favorite picture. And on that picture is Elijah on the left, then Lyric, and then me, and then my baby Patrick. And that's it. That's the living room area. Okay, so now we're gonna walk this way. Okay, so this is walking from the living room area. And I make a left. And this is the rest of the apartment. This is my little hallway right here. I have a rug on the floor. On the left, we have the AC. And up there, we got the carbon monoxide. And then over here is my linen closet. This is my linen closet right here. And I need to wash some stuff. Okay, and then you walk up here, and this is the storage, not storage, the water heater and the AC filter. And then we turn here, and this is my bathroom. And it's very, very small. And when you click the light on, so does the fan come on, so it gets pretty loud. But that's it. That is my shower bench so that I can bathe. And if we walk over this way, you'll see that I have a rail here that I can grab onto so I won't fall. And then over here, I have another rail that's there so I don't fall. So this is the shower area. And then here, if I turn this way, this is the toilet. And I'll back up. Like I said, it's very small in here. That's our toilet. And that is the little sink. But it's room underneath here. It's room underneath. It's plenty of room. It's real deep under there. And that's it. And I just put this little stand in here so I'll be able to put my personal items in there. And that's it. That's the bathroom. And then we turn back around, and that's it. We go back, and that's the living room area. So that is it. Click that light off. I'll finish up in here. Oh, we didn't do the bedroom. Oh, this is the bedroom. Okay. I'm sorry, YouTube. Okay, this is the bedroom. And on the left, that is my chair where I put my shoes on. That's the printer, it doesn't work. That's the little bitty TV that doesn't work. And this is my little desk. I used to sit here on the laptop, but this light in here it's just not bright enough. And over here, we have my dresser, and I have everything I own in that dresser. And then this is my mission style bed, which I've had forever. As you can see, it's mission style. It's a king size. It's really big. And I have a ceiling fan up here. And so this is my bedroom. And this here is my closet. Ugh. As you can see, this is my closet right there. It's organized up to a certain extent. These are my dirty clothes, and that's it. And that's where I plug up my cell phone. That's it. This is my bedroom area. So that's it. Like I said, 630 square feet. That's it. And these are my pictures on the wall of my kids. And it's real simple. Real simple. 630 square feet. And that's it. I just want to say thank you for joining me today as we went on this little tour of my apartment, because I'm proud of my little apartment. I keep it clean. I do it all by myself. Nobody comes in here except my son. And he comes usually about once a week, and he will sweep the whole little apartment for me, and he'll mop for me. And I do my own trash and stuff, so, you know. But besides that, I do everything on my own. I keep it clean in here the best way I can. So that's it. That's the apartment. That is the low income. That is the projects here in Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm quite proud of my little apartment. And I have no creepy crawlers. You know, I ain't got nothing scurrying around, because the misconception is when you live in low income, when you live in the projects, you're living with roaches and rats, and I don't know what's wrong with people. They don't know how to be nice. But all I know is I've been homeless. So maybe I have a different appreciation than some people. I'm not even sure why people be rude like that. I'm not even going to try to waste my energy trying to figure it out. But one thing I can tell you is you can call this place anything you want to, but I call it a blessing. So I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for stopping by. And at this time, we like to breathe in and breathe out and get our day started. Okay? So let's breathe in, breathe out. Ooh, we thank you, Father, for another day. So wherever you headed today, to work, to school, or to fill out your application for low income, it doesn't matter. Be happy, be joyful, and treat people with respect. It's the only way to live, I'm telling you. So be happy, be joyful, and put a smile on your face, because somebody did not wake up this morning. Think about it. Somebody didn't wake up. So have a good day, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.